to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a power hour. For those of you guys who may not be familiar with what a power hour is or how it works, what you do is you set a timer for 1 hour and you see how much you can accomplish in that 1 hour. I like to make a to-do list when I do my power hour and check as many things off as I can. So if you need some motivation or want to do a power hour along with me, stay tuned. So it is in the afternoon. It is well over 90 degrees outside. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and I'm really hoping it rains soon. The air conditioning is running non-stop, and I just cannot find a comfortable temperature. So I'll go ahead and give you the heads up about that. You might see my hair 1,000 different ways. I might pull it up. I don't know. Right now I'm really hot, but then it's like the air kicks in and I get cold and I start putting on sweatshirts and that kind of thing. So if you see me change multiple times, just know that I'm trying to bear this miserable heat wave that we're going through that has for some reason gotten inside the house today. But enough of that, and hopefully I can make it the full hour and the power doesn't go out or anything like that, because that would not be fun. I'd have to like kind of restart it or do whatever. So when I do a power hour, I like to make a to-do list, and I wanted to share with you what I put on my to-do list. Will I have time to finish everything on my to-do list? We'll see. Of course, I want to finish everything on my to-do list, but you know, life is life. So I just wanted to kind of show you the list that I have. I have a soap dispenser that is actually sitting on my kitchen table that I started to fill up and I never finished. So I need to finish filling up that soap dispenser and put it back in its home. The second thing that I need to do is I need to clean the windows beside my front door. I've needed to do that for a while. That should not take very long, but it's still something I need to do. The third thing is to start a load of laundry. I want to dust the cabinet where the TV sits. I want to dust under there and maybe do a small refresh, add a couple things for summer, that kind of thing. Then I have to clean out the freezer. Of course, because this is a power hour, this is not a take everything out of the freezer and clean it out, deep clean kind of thing. It's just I'm gonna run through the freezer, see if I have any items that expired that I need to get rid of, that kind of thing. I want to clean and refresh my entryway table. I just want to polish that or dust that, and then I kind of want to do a little something different to the bottom tier of the entryway table, so I might play around with that a little bit. I need to change out a drawer that has swimsuits. I need to change out a drawer that currently has hoodies, but I need to change it and fill it with my swimsuits for the swim season. Get all that, sorry. So basically I'm taking my hoodies out and replacing them with my swimsuits. So I'm gonna do that in the power hour. I want to wipe down the furniture in my bedroom if I have time. And the last thing that I would like to do is to declutter the dog toys. Will I get all this done? I really honestly don't know, but hopefully I will. But whatever I get done is what I get done in this hour, and I can pick back up tomorrow, and that's okay because such is life. But I hope you enjoy this video.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I do create a variety of content. I am a heart warrior. I'm a heart failure survivor. I am also a former teacher, and I love sharing ways to do things around the home. I love organization. I love decorating. I love all types of different things, and so because my personality is the type that I do like so many different things, my channel contains a lot of variety, and I would love to have you stick around. I'm also getting my freezer summer ready with lots of popsicles and things to enjoy out by the pool. I was also going to, in this video, do some decorating for summer under my TV and in my front entryway, but that just did not work out because I realized I did not have all of my summer stuff down, so I can do that on another day.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed, yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is all where we all met.
I really want to do something different under this table, but I just could not figure out exactly what I wanted to do. So I ended up putting everything back exactly like it was, which is very frustrating because that is not what I had in mind. It'll just take me a while to figure it out. I'm not 100% in love with this table. For the past few years, I've had this thing where my taste is just not personally, and my house just did not go with the whole farmhouse theme. So whenever I would go to buy something, everything was farmhouse, and it just would not go in my own house. And so I had to kind of settle for things, and like even my furniture, like this piece I had to buy at IKEA and kind of customize. So I'm glad to see that there are more options out there lately. So I might even end up getting a whole new entryway table. My dog Molly is absolutely terrified of storms, so I had to show you this cute little picture of her. She followed me around throughout this whole power hour because she does not want to be alone during a storm. She wants to be right under your feet. I kept forgetting that she was there and I tripped over her several times. And then I did get to declutter some of the dog toys. When I get those toys out, the girls, both the dogs, come out and they, of course, want to keep everything.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. My comments have been a little off in the sense that like I'll have a notification pop up and then I'll have like one comment, and then a couple of days later I'll go back and I'll have like 20 comments from like a week previous. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but hopefully I have that fixed because I love communicating with you guys. So if I'm a little behind on my comments, you guys know why. But please like, comment, and subscribe. I am so ready to do my giveaway. And thank you guys so much for your love and support. I love you guys. Have a great day. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.